Today I will show you how to remove the lamp of your NEC NP510. First, you will need a Phillips screwdriver like this one. Look for the screw on the left side of your projector. Start unscrewing. Now you can pull back the cover of the lamp. There are two screws holding the lamp inside the projector. You have to unscrew them. To remove the lamp, pull it upwards. Get your new lamp. Slide it down to the slot and push it to lock it in. Now you can screw it back. Once you're done, you could put back your cover and you're done. Thanks for watching.